Deep Agent's new upgrade is here. And it's not just another AI tool. It's the final boss of automation, creating agents on the fly, linking systems that never talked before, and running workflows that feel like magic. Let's dive deep. Quick background on Abacus AI and its focus on enterprise-grade AI systems. Explain Deep Agent 1.0, originally a static AI assistant for automation. Now with Deep Agent's new upgrade, creates multiple agents instantly. Agents can collaborate in real time. No need for pre-coded integrations. Describe the MCP, Model Context Protocol support, as the glue allowing systems to communicate. Compare old versus new automation tools. Zapier, Make, legacy CRMs. Highlight why multi-agent creation is game-changing. Agents can discover new tools automatically. No manual connections needed. Self-organizing workflows = AI managing AI. Example. Imagine asking for a marketing campaign, and Deep Agent spawns a designer agent, a CRM agent, a reporting agent, and a social media agent, all collaborating seamlessly. A prompt leads to agents branching into tasks like content creation, CRM sync, and analytics dashboard building. Explain MCP's role in making systems talk to each other. Legacy problem. CRMs, ERPs, ticketing systems, and design tools often incompatible. With MCP, Jira can sync to Slack automatically. Salesforce CRM can link with Notion or even custom-built dashboards. Data flows without middleware. Use analogy. Think of MCP as the universal translator that lets any software speak the same language. Charts and reports. AI agent generates real-time high-res charts based on raw data. PDF flyers, marketing agent designs, formats, and exports. PDF creatives without human design. CRM syncs. Deep Agent updates leads, assigns tasks, and sends instant Slack notifications. Marketing pipelines. One prompt launches an entire campaign, from ad creatives to performance analytics dashboards. Social media AI team. Agents act as content writers, graphic designers, schedulers, and engagement managers. Traditional automation requires manual setup, fixed workflows, coding. Deep Agent Automation Generator creates workflows dynamically, can adapt when tools change, for example, moving from HubSpot to Zoho CRM. Goals evolve, for example, switching focus from marketing to operations. Essentially acts as an AI CEO managing a digital workforce of agents. Quote-style delivery. Before, you had to teach your tools what to do. Now, the tools teach themselves how to work together. For startups, rapidly set up marketing, customer service, and analytics without hiring large teams. For enterprises, seamless integrations between legacy software stacks. For developers, no need for constant manual API integrations. For marketing teams, instant campaigns, reports, and creative assets. For project managers, real-time syncing across Jira, Slack, Trello, and email. Big takeaway: Deep Agent democratizes enterprise automation by making it accessible with a single prompt. Speculate on what's next. Fully autonomous company in a box. AI project managers that run teams end-to-end. Industry-specific agent bundles. Finance, healthcare, manufacturing. The rise of self-organizing AI ecosystems where human input sign just strategic goals. Deep Agent isn't just another AI release. It's the blueprint for how businesses will run in the future. AI creating AI, managing AI, and executing tasks humans used to spend months setting up. So, what do you think? Is Deep Agent the final boss of AI automation? Or just the beginning of something even bigger? Drop your thoughts below, hit subscribe for more AI deep dives, and if you want to try Deep Agent yourself, check the link in the description. Until next time, stay curious.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.